Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. Setting up your budget is straightforward. Just expand the relevant section and you can enter your income and expenses for more comprehensive financial planning. To set up your entire budget for the year, you only need to configure a single month. Let's say it's January and you input your figures for that month. For example, you have rent expenses of $2,500 and utilities totaling $350. Once you've completed this month, simply click at the top for that month, and on the right, click where it says Copy Plan and Budget Forward. This action copies your budget from one month to the rest of the year, making the process incredibly straightforward. There's no need for manual copying and pasting for each month. Whether you're starting in January or later in the year, beginning from the start allows you to compare your planned budget with the actual data retrieved from your bank accounts. Now you might be wondering what happens with categories that don't apply to you. Vlorish offers a feature called Category Catalog Budgeting. We've created a bank of categories that anyone can use. Your task is to review these categories, and for those that aren't relevant, simply remove them by clicking the Remove option. If you ever need to reintroduce a category, it's just as easy. Click Add Back, and the item will be restored in an instant. This is the beauty of catalog budgeting. You don't need to build your own categories or constantly update them. It also allows us to create a structured system that can compare your financial situation with your peers, which is reflected in the peer score you'll see here. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.